a bright day in the park, and Pip the Bear has a brilliant idea for a grand fountain. The plan is ready. It's time for Pip, Vroom Vroom, and Choo Choo to begin. Vroom Vroom zips into the forest to gather smooth river stones. Choo Choo pulls a long line of wagons, bringing the perfect stones back to the park. The big pile of stones is ready. They have everything they need. With Pip's guidance, Vroom Vroom carefully builds the fountain's base. Stone by stone, the walls of the fountain begin to rise. The beautiful fountain is complete. The friends did it. A final, silly struggle to get the water flowing. Water shoots into the air. The fountain is alive and ready. Pip enjoys a cool splash, a perfect place for fun and relaxation. The new fountain brings joy to all their friends in the park. A testament to friendship, their beautiful fountain will last forever. Thanks for joining our adventure. We hope to see you again soon. Bye!